Good morning. Okay, so this morning I actually had to wash my hair, because I don't do that very often. So I'm just going to show you, how I blow dry my hair straight. I don't know why the lighting is so weird there. Okay. You're not going to be able to hear me, but basically I put thickening spray, a root lifter, and some kind of split end mender on my hair to get, those are all of the products that I've used. And then day one, normally if I blow dry, I will wear it straight because I hardly ever blow dry my hair. But if I do, this is how I do it. And Anderson has makeup all over her face, so just don't worry about that. Okay, so you won't hear me when I do it, but basically I'm just blasting my roots, and then at the end I'll kind of smooth it. So this won't be us talking, and we're also kind of in a little bit of a hurry. Can you move? What did you do? What? Hey, why don't you go play with your barn? Play with your barn. Where's your towel? Nope. Oh, you want to wear it? Okay. Y'all, I don't know what she did to my Facebook, and I think y'all can still watch it, but everything's really big. So I can't see your comments. I'm sorry. I'll comment on them after we're done. Short pause to put her shoes on before she has a minor. Aniston, that's the wrong foot, baby. Okay. That's the wrong foot. You have to put the other one on that foot. I don't want my shoes on yet. Okay, can you hear me? This is the same concept as blow drying your hair upside down because I'm pushing all of my roots up. You just want to make sure that you hit it with the cold after you're completely dry. Put that shoe down. No, you can't get up there. You can't get up there. No. Get down. Get down. Okay, in the back, you can put your head upside down and just blow dry all those up. I'm sitting down and I can't really like turn my head completely upside down, so it's kind of hard. And then I'm going to take a brush. Yeah, a brush. And I'm going to start just blow drying straight like this. No, ma'am. Hi. I see you. Okay, please get off of that. I also have my feet on high, and with this blow dryer, you can do like positive or negative ions, and I have positive because I want to get as much body as I can because I'm going to wear this hair for probably 4 days. Different styles, but you know. Wipe my nose. What, baby? Okay, you can already see like how big it is. What? And so now I'm going to start smoothing the end since it's pretty much dry. You don't want to waste your time doing this at the beginning because you're just wasting your time. But you can get it pretty dry and then go through and smooth. And I'm just kind of turning the brush at the end so those pieces will lay. You okay? Yeah? Okay, you can't sit in my lap right now, okay? What, baby? Why don't you go get a baby wipe? Yeah, we need a baby wipe. With some toilet paper. Yeah, can we get some toilet paper? Please? Baby wipes. Nope. Nope. Hold on. Sorry. Sit right here. Sit right here. I do not need a big wipe in my hair. That's for your face. Stop. I don't want a baby wipe in my hair. Okay, with the front, I'm just kind of going to go this way. And turning the brush, I'm over directing it. I'm going to probably part my hair down the middle today. And then brush it back. And then this side. I guess you can kind of think of like Farrah Fawcett when you do this so that you're going to get more body because it's the opposite way of where you want it to go. And then the back. I'll just do like this, like kind of like a round brush. And then just smooth everything out. This is a U Smooth blow dryer. Can you see? You can screenshot this. This is what I use at home. At the salon, I use a T3. And I really want a Dyson if anyone wants to send me one for a present. Mother's Day. You okay? Hey. Can you sit down there? Yeah? And I saw someone ask where my shirt was from. I don't even know what brand it is, but yesterday I got it at Nordstrom Rack. I'm not one of those people who likes like super duper straight hair. Like every piece doesn't have to be straight. So I'm not going to hit it with a straightener, but I'm going to turn upside down and hit the cold button and just get these pieces to stand up, and then I'll be done. And then I'll go through the ends. Instant. We're a little sickly in this house at the moment. And I'll just smooth the ends again. My hair's a little bit wavy. But it's not super curly and it's not this straight naturally. So I do have to work a little bit. That's how I blow dry my hair straight. Oh my gosh, that's so gross, Aniston.
Mama.
Yeah, you got all the boogies. They're gone. They're all gone. Okay, can you say bye-bye and I hope you have a good day?
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I'm holding you. But this is how I blow dried my hair straight. Somehow I'm going to have to do this where she's not here because this is crazy. Look, can you say hi? No. Are you ready to go to school?
No.
No. Yeah, she came in bed with us last night at 2:30 because we've just been coughing a whole lot. Okay, well, this is how I blow dry my hair. I hope that y'all got something out of this. If you have any questions, please comment and I'll, or watch this from the replay. And if you comment, I'll come back on them. Yeah, that's my mouth. Mm-hmm. Okay, bye. Can you say bye? Stop poking me in the eyeball. Bye. Oh, gosh.
Bye-bye.